Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey, everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super handy trick for Notion users, how to center text inside your pages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know a simple workaround to make your headers, quotes, or highlights really stand out, even though Notion doesn't offer a direct center text feature just yet. Let's not waste any time. Let's jump right in and get you that perfect polished look for your notes and dashboards. Now, here's the thing. You might have already searched the Notion menu for a neat center button, just like you'd see in Word or Google Docs. But in Notion, that doesn't exist, at least not natively. Don't worry. There's a clever workaround, and it only takes a few seconds to master. All you need to do is use Notion's equation block as a kind of secret tool to center your text. Sounds technical, but I promise it's quick and easy. First up, go to the spot in Notion where you'd like your centered text to appear. Maybe it's a heading for a personal dashboard, a motivational quote in your daily journal, or a title for a meeting notes page. When you're ready, type a / then start typing the word equation. As soon as you see equation pop up in the Notion dropdown, hit enter. This is going to create an equation block, which, by default, centers its content in the column. Now, inside this equation block, go ahead and type out the text you want to center. Let's say you want to center the phrase, "Welcome to my page." Type it straight into the block. You'll immediately notice that the equation block takes care of the alignment for you. Everything inside gets centered automatically. Pretty cool, right? But here's an important detail. If your text has spaces between words, you might see something strange happen. Instead of spaces, the equation block kind of squishes everything together, almost like all the words are mashed into one. This is because the equation format doesn't treat the spacebar like it normally would in a plain text block. Here's the fix. Instead of hitting the spacebar, you'll want to use the tilde symbol. That's while. It's usually found right next to the number 1 on most keyboards. So if you wanted to type "Welcome to my page," try using "Welcome to my page" instead. Each tilde will create a visible space between words inside the equation block, keeping your phrase readable and neat but still centered perfectly. It's a quirky little workaround, I know, but it gets the job done until Notion releases an official centering option. Whether you're building a custom dashboard, creating visually striking headers, or just want to break up your page layout a bit, this trick is surprisingly useful. And after you use it a couple of times, it'll become second nature. That's it. You've just learned how to center text in Notion using the equation block and a few clever keyboard tricks. If this helped you out, go ahead and give the video a like. If you have any questions or if you know of any other cool Notion tricks, drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.